How to fix and solve YouTube short glitches. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, for that, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on General. Now from here, scroll below again and then tap on iPhone storage. Now once you are inside iPhone storage, search for YouTube and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, tap on Offload App and then tap on Offload App again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by YouTube and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is done uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open App Store in your mobile device. Once you open App Store, in the search bar, search for YouTube. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your YouTube application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, simply restart your device and then your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.